Today we're unboxing a Diplomat Magnum fountain pen. This isn't a new release, however they did just release a new series of colors. So these are your demonstrators, and we're going to look at the orange. The Diplomat Magnum fountain pens have a plastic casing with chrome fittings, and the demonstrator has the transparent resin, so you can see the inner workings of the pen. It does still include the 2 ink windows, so you can even more clearly view the level of your ink. In the crown of the cap you have the Diplomat logo, and then you have the Germany inscription on the top edge of the clip, because your Diplomat fountain pens are made in Germany. You have a solid metal clip, and it has the Diplomat name there engraved on it. You also have an ergonomic section and your stainless steel number 5 nib. To access your cartridge converter filling system, you just unscrew the barrel. You'll find that initially it has an empty cartridge there holding its place, but back inside the barrel you will have your ink cartridge that's provided with your pen. To use that ink cartridge, you just insert it into the section of the pen really firmly, and then put your pen back together, and you'll be ready to go ahead and write with your new Diplomat Magnum fountain pen in demo colors. And the other demo color, this is demo orange. It also comes in demo blue and demo purple. The Diplomat Magnum fountain pens are compatible with your international standard size ink cartridges, so you can use a wide array of ink brands and colors. If you want more information about the new demo colors in your Diplomat Magnum fountain pen, visit penschley.com.